Good morning, everyone. My name is Tanya Romanyuha, and I'm General Manager of Tech Island. And on behalf of our entire team, I'm thrilled to welcome you on Tech Island Summit 2024. It's our fourth in a row Tech Island Summit, and it's our flagship event designed to foster communication among stakeholders and identify solutions to advance our shared vision for tech-driven Cyprus. For all those who doesn't know, and now we're gonna see who knows what Tech Island is. Please raise your hand. What is Tech Island? A few people doesn't. So, Tech Island is a non-profit business association which was established nearly 3 years ago, and we have powerful mission to establish Cyprus as a tech hub. And today, our agenda is about increasing Iceland's competitiveness among other tech hubs, which are also competing for the top-tier talent, world-class talent. And we will explore how Cyprus can build on its new status as a tech hub and how our island can leverage the expertise of those top-tier talent which already have relocated and is established here, especially in the field of emerging technologies. Today we have an exciting lineup. We have 5 panel discussions, we have 3 keynote speeches, and we have a fireside chat. We'll cover a broad spectrum of topics, starting from Schengen to digital transformation, from education to Iceland's potential on becoming a hub in the realm of AI. Additionally, we'll take a deep dive into tech industry's impact in Cyprus, both in economy and also in society. But there is more. Today, next door, we have our special side event, which is powered by Capacitor Partners. We have our Mentors Hub. Here, we have 24 startups which have been selected and which are now having special mentorship sessions with our community members, founders, investors, CTO, growth specialists, and also product officers. Before we will dive into today's program, I would like to take a moment to extend a huge thank you to the whole Reflect Festival team who has powered our stage today and who made this whole festival possible. And also, I would like to acknowledge our incredible partners of today's summit. Our Mentors Hub partner, Capacitor Partners, production partner, The Soul Publishing, tech partner, Prestigio Solution, merch partner, Swag42, digital partners, Fast Forward, In Business News, CBN, Sigma TV, Dias, and beverages partner, Kian Soft Drinks.